Hi all. In this video we are going to see how to use MobaXterm to connect to an EC2 instance. For that we need MobaXterm, which is open source. I will try to show how to download it. Click on the download, go with the home edition, which is free. Click on the download. As I have already as a MobaXterm, I'll try to show how to connect to the MobaXterm. This is MobaXterm tool which we use it to connect to EC2 instances in AWS virtual machines in Azure. So basically this is the interface how it looks like. We have option called terminal, sessions, views, X server, and we have options to play some games also under it. But the only thing that we are using it to connect to the sessions, to establish a session. So first we need to click on this session. If you want to connect to the local session, you can click on the shell, which is almost looks like a command prompt. So if you want to check present working directory like this, it will work. It just acts like as a command prompt. And yeah, if you want to connect to the any EC2 instances, click on this SSH. Here we use it to connect to EC2 instances using SSH on port number 22. So see, port number is reflecting here. Let me quickly try to connect to EC2 instances. For that we need to launch an EC2 instance. I am quickly launching an EC2 instance by clicking on this and click on the launch instance. If you want to see how to launch an instance in a detailed way, you can refer my video on how to launch EC2 instance. I will try to keep that link in the description. Okay. First instance, any name we can give as per our organization standards. Let me take Amazon Linux 2. That's fine. I'll go with a free tier. Let me simply select any key pair. Networking I am keeping as it is. I'm select the existing security group. Okay. If you want to a detailed video, please let me know in the comments. I will try to do a dedicated video. Here this is the launch instance. If everything is successful without having any errors, we could able to see this success message. Okay, instance. See, my instance is in pending state now. But yet by this time we can have the public IP. So grab that public IP and paste here. I will once again show you. This is the MobaXterm stream in which we need to connect to the session. There is one shortcut also to connect. Control Shift N. We could able to connect like that also. Yeah, SSH. I'm giving my remote host IP. What is my username? If you don't know the username, there is an alternate option to check that one also. I will show how. Click on the instance and try to connect it. It will show the command. As we selected Amazon Linux instance, it will give the username as EC2. In case if you connect to the Ubuntu, it will give the username as Ubuntu. Okay, like that we have. And see, and we need to connect our EC2 instances using the private key. Nothing but a PEM file which is available in our downloads. Okay, I don't know what is my PEM key. I forgot it, so that's the reason I'll try to get the PEM key from here. Key pair 563. Okay, this is my PEM file. Click on OK. So there is some error. It could be due to unable to open the PEM file. Let me try to once again connect to it. I'm not sure what the issue is. It is not able to open the PEM file. Let me check whether my PEM file is available in the downloads or not. Let me go to the downloads. Where is my PEM file? Yeah, key pair 563. If we could able to open this, let me try to perform this once again. Okay, go to SSH, give your public IP of the instance. Okay, this is a public IP, and this username EC2-user, advanced options, private key. This is we need to select. I guess last time I forgot to mention .pem. That could be the issue. We'll see whether we could able to connect or not. See, imported OpenSSH key. Yeah, we could successfully able to log in. If you want to check who am I, yeah, EC2 user. This is how we need to connect to MobaXterm. Connect to EC2 instance from MobaXterm. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please do consider to subscribe.